Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here, Nissan MPV. Let's see if we can check and fix the problem for the transmission. Transmission was rebuilt and that's the CD there. So we're gonna use Hotel to program it. This is the software. So stay with us, please. We're gonna finish it now. As usual, I'm gonna open this one here. We're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go to diagnose. I gotta go to VIN, auto detect. This is very quick. Nissan and Honda the same. Very surprised. This is Honda, Nissan. You see that, the place? So we're gonna do all the... Okay, this is the car, say okay. Nissan MV 200 taxi, say yes. Diagnose, control unit. Engine. I don't want the engine, but I gotta check what code I have. Here, I just want to see what code I have. Okay, communication is the transmission only. There is no code here, so I'm going to skip this. I got to go back in the transmission. Oh, don't tell me no communication with the transmission. Transmission. Are you serious? Why is he so bad? That's no good. Hello. Do diagnosis, right?
Right.
So I come here to the engine. You see on the engine control module, I have, let me check it out. It say no communication with the transmission control module. When I go to the transmission, no communication. So maybe the plug is not in.
It's possible.
Yeah,
let guy over here.
Let them check. Look here, look here. Look here. He say that no communication, lost communication with the TCM. So now if I go back to the transmission, just like transmission, no communications.
All right, we're gonna.
So tell him to check it and see. Yeah, I'm waiting.
You're gonna stay here or you're gonna come back?
I'm here waiting for you. Be sure that at least this is the computer here. And this is there is a light.
Yeah.
Shut up. Maybe it's hiding there, the connector, right? Need lights. You found it? It's like hiding somewhere. Yeah, right? I look at the engine computer. I am communicating. Go to the transmission, no communication. I say, wow. And the engine is the engine is like the transmission is like it's banging. Boom, boom. Put it back first, right? No, you have to, there is something. No, you have to, this one have to go back first. Go all the way back. No, go all the way back.
That's okay. Let's go.
Okay. Now I'm good. You go, you do whatever you want to do. I'm gonna go 5. This is my car. Now here. I'm gonna try to check this. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Transmission. communicating. Data. Yes, now read the quote.
That's okay.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. You're good to go. So I'm gonna clear those quotes. Escape. Erase the quotes. Yes. Yes. Erase every quote. So let me start it. Okay. See now? No hit. In moving. Good. So let me see if there is any quotes. No quotes. Okay, let me go back to engine. The engine quotes. Read quotes. Okay, I'm gonna clear this. I don't need no quote here. No quote. That quote will not be here anymore. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to the transmission and check it if everything is okay. Okay, if it's not, then you go to the next. Read quote. Everything good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Mohamed Harun Idris.